Are you looking for an expert utility by which you can easily convert your EMLX file into various file formats? If yes, then stay connected till the end. Sysinfo EMLX Converter is top-notch software to back up EMLX emails directly into the local drive/PC/computer. It is competent enough to export EMLX files into 15+ web/cloud-based email clients. It provides users with an interactive and user-friendly interface during the backup process. Now, let's check out the main features of the software. Convert EMLX files into PST, PDF, HTML, CSV, doc, docx, JSON, TIFF, MBOX, EML, EMLX, MSG, HTML, and other file formats. Import single/multiple EMLX files into different email clients such as Gmail, Yahoo, Outlook, IMAP and Thunderbird, Yandex Mail, Zoho Mail, Amazon Webmail, Office 365, Opera Mail, HostGator Mail, AOL, etc. Keeps the folder hierarchy intact during the conversion. Option to remove duplicate emails from the selected folders. It is compatible with all Windows operating systems like 10, 8.1, 8, 7, XP, Vista. Now, let us check the prerequisites before installing the software. If you are using any Windows version like Windows 11, 10, 8.1, 8, 7, then please run the software as run as administrator. Make sure to establish the proper internet connection while using this software. A third-party app password of a particular email client is required before the email account sign-in. You can easily convert EMLX files into different file formats using this software. First, you have to download and install the Sysinfo EMLX Converter. Then complete the installation process and launch the software as an administrator on your system. The utility provides you with two options: single file and multiple files/folder. Here, I select the multiple files/folder option and click Next. Now, tap on the Select Files or Select Folder button, as per your choice, and add the EMLX files to the software. Click the Next button to perform another step. In the new wizard, you can view the tree structure containing all the folders present in your selected folder. Now, check the folder that you want to convert. You can also preview a specific EMLX file's attributes and attachments. Click Next. Select the saving format from the Save/Backup/Migrate as drop-down menus like PST, PDF, CSV, etc. Here, I choose PDF format. Check the Remove Duplicate Mail option to delete the repetitive emails from selected EMLX folders. Save in the same feature to make the source and destination folders the same for a new resultant folder. Note, if you select Save in the same option, the Path to Save button is automatically disabled. Save PDF attachments separately option to download the attachments of EMLX email separately. You can also opt to migrate or backup email without attachment files to backup only the emails from selected folders. You have to remember that when you go with this option, the PDF attachments separately option gets disabled. Now, check the mail filter to separate the EMLX emails into a particular date range. Naming convention features to select the saving format for a new resultant folder. You can also define the folder's name in which the backup emails will save using custom folder name. Now, tap on the Path to Save button to select the destination path for a new backup folder. Then click the Convert button to start the conversion process of EMLX files emails in a PDF format. At last, if you want, you can also save the conversion report of the conversion process by clicking on the Download Report button. Additionally, you can also import EMLX emails to various email clients. To do so, click the Convert Again button. In the opening window, select the email client from the drop-down list of Save/Backup/Migrate as. Here, I will go through with Gmail. Enter your Gmail email address and third-party app password in the software. If you don't have a third-party password for Gmail, you can easily create it by tapping on the link below. Click on the Sign In button. Check the Remove Duplicate Mail option to delete similar emails from the selected folder. Enable the Migrate or Backup Emails Without Attachments Files option to import only the emails from EMLX folders. Mail Filter allows you to migrate the EMLX files emails into individual dates selectively. You can also type the name of the resultant folder by opting with the custom folder name. Now, click on the Convert button to start exporting EMLX emails into Gmail. Once the migration gets completed, Click the Download Report button to save the report.
Thank you for watching the video. For more such updates, subscribe the channel and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn.